Good morning class. Today we'll do the first method to find out the perfect square. Now the first how we'll find out the perfect square without learning it, if there is such a big number, and how you will do it with the prime factorization method. Here is the first method, which is called as prime factor method. So this is the number 2352 and we have to find out the perfect square for this. So we have already done in the previous classes how to find out LCM HCF with the prime factorization method. So we'll use here that method. This is the number, it's given here. 2 times you will this, for doing this you should know the divide also properly. So you will do the divide of 1352 2 times, so it will be 1176. Then again with the 2, then it will be 588. Then again with 2 it will be 294. Then again with 3 it will be 147, and the number can be divided. After this it cannot be divided. This after this you can see the method also. When the last digit is 4, it can be divided only with the even number, and with the even number smallest number is 2. After dividing it with 294, you will get here 147, and then after 7 you can see or understand that it cannot be divided with 2 further. Now you have to take 3 and divided with 40, divided with this, and you'll get here 49, and 49 comes in 7's table. So your prime factorization method is completed till here. Now you have to see that how many pairs it is making. This is 1 pair, this is 2 pair, and this cannot be in the pair. So when it cannot be in pair, it means it is not a perfect square. And for this you can see that what we have to do, as the prime factor, 3 has no pair, like this is not having the pair and 7 is also not having the pair, and for making a perfect square we need to have the same pair. If 3 gets a pair, then the number it becomes perfect square. If this would be, suppose if this would be 3, so this becomes a perfect square, and we can take 3 2s are 2 2s are 4, and 4 3s are 24, like this. Now here we know that it's not 3, it is only 7. So what we are going to do, so we multiply 2352 by 3 to get. What you have to do in this, that we multiply 2352 by 3 to get the perfect square. Now what is this, that you will multiply this number with the 3, and now you will get the same pair. If you can try also that if you will multiply this number with 3, so whatever the number you will get, you have to do again this formation with that prime factorization method in that. So you can get the one more pair of 3 and 7, and then it will be a perfect square, because after multiplying 3 the number will become 7056, and it is having a perfect square which is called as 84. What you have to do is first just solve it with this, and when you get it that there is no pairing of 3, so you will multiply this number with 3, and whatever the number will come, you will do again prime factorization method like this on that number, and then when it will making a pair of 3 also, and it making the pair of 7 also, and then you will get the perfect square like 84. So you have to do question 5, 6 and 7 like that only. Here is your homework. Try example 5, 6 and 7 in your practice copy. Thank you.